In this video, I'm going to be cleaning a residential property. This is actually the first property of the year. I'm going to be cleaning the full driveway, side pathway, as well as the back patio. You guys can see the dirt and algae that has built up over the years, and I did a test spot to show the customer what it looks like when it would be done. Since the patio was in bad shape with the amount of algae and mold, I had to use the chemical. For the front walkway and driveway, that was not the case. I just used high pressure and it cleaned up just fine.